Once we have set the theme settings, in our case I have made the website setup with a graphic theme, we can start building our pages. But before we do that, I want to clarify something for the beginners in the HubSpot CMS. So what I have noticed that is many users are not utilizing some tools to their full potential. We can build pages not only with templates and models, but we can also use sections in a HubSpot. Inside the sections, there can be multiple models, like on this example. Once we build this section, we can save them and reuse them for creating a new pages when we need to. Reusing this section will save enormous time if we're creating pages with repeatable layouts and models. So now let's create a new page and I will show you first how to use models. And after this, we create a section with the multiple models and save it in case we need them. Now let's come back to the HubSpot portal and I will create a page. I will name it preview page. Let's create it. And here let's find homepage 1 template, right? Let's use this template for our page. Here's our template and let me first show you how to remove section and models. First, let's remove entire section with a model. We can easily do it using section settings with this button with the trash bin icon, right? And now let's just remove the model, right? Once we remove only model, you can see that the section will stay. You can use this section or remove it separately. I will remove it for now. And if we navigate to the page editor navigation here, we can find all available models the theme offers with the default HubSpot portal models. If we want to use one of the models, we simply have to drag and drop onto the page between the section we want. Now let's navigate to the multimedia model. And in the content model settings, we can adjust our content settings, changing the content as needed. And if we navigate to the styles, there are style settings for the entire model. Here we have section settings to adjust background spacing and width of the model. And in the style model settings, we can adjust all style related aspects of the content itself, including font, styles, colors, and layouts of the model. Now for this example, let's create a section with the two models and save it so we can reuse them in the future if needed. You can also create a section with only one model. There is no specific limit for saving, but for this example, I will create a section with the two models. I will navigate to the theme models and I will use this column model. Right, here's our new section with the column model. Now I will clone this model and drag and drop the second model below the first one. If we navigate to the contents of this page, we can see that we have one section with two models. Now let me show you how we can save this section. We just have to navigate to the section settings here. And if we click on the arrow icon, we can save the section. Let's give it a name. I will name it test section and I will also add the same description. Now let's save the section. Once the section is saved, we can reuse it across all pages on the HubSpot portal. So if we want to use this section, we just have to navigate to this plus icon between sections. And in the list of the section, we can now find our just saved section. And now we can just simply take this section and drag and drop it on the page where we need it.